Hi, so today I'm sharing with you another video of the Ateliers Mini Shoulder Bag, canvas bag. It is a little collab with BK, and I'll have all the links for you and information in the description. So let's get started. Last time I showed it as a carry-all of what I'm just kind of carrying with me each day. It is the perfect little lightweight canvas zip little bag. And I just thought it's so wonderful for summer. It's so wonderful for art supplies. And today I have it set up with my watercolors. And so I'll show you what I'm carrying with me and just how I'm using it for watercolors. I've attached a couple more patches since the last time I showed it to you the other day. And this one, let me just tell you, this is a BK one that's new. This is a past BK one, so they have it, but just not in the orange. And this is a little vintage Girl Scout one. So let's get started. Again, this is the mini shoulder bag, and I'll have the link to it because they have one that's called small, which is smaller, which you think this would be the mini or something like that. I don't know, but just know it's the mini. And in it today, this is my water supplies that I would take with me to the lake, out to my garden. There's a little bench in this cute little area by the library near the lake. Also the swings down by the lake here in Peachtree City. And so I always like to take a little fabric napkin, and I like to set that either on the bench if I need to put supplies and stuff, or open it up completely and set up all my supplies on the like little picnic table area. But having a little something with me so that my little canvas bag and my art supplies are on something nice, just in case. I just love them so much. I just want to take extra good care of them, and I never know what's on that like little table area or bench and stuff per se. So I have with me an A5 size watercolor notebook, and this one I've purchased from Artool Kit. And so I'll keep that with me. And I have a little divider board. So I have that one with me, and I've been really wanting to work more in this larger one. I typically work in this A6 one. And so sometimes when I'm out and about, I may not exactly know, this one I'm still working on in progress. I may not exactly know which one I want to work out of, and I don't kind of want to limit myself, because what if I get out there and I'm more inspired for the small or for the larger, like to kind of just go for it. So I like being able to have them both. They fit completely comfortable in there. I have a little water bottle on the go. It does not leak. And then I have my art toolkit. This is the pocket size. It is so wonderful. It is my favorite. It is really my favorite for organizing all my art supplies. And with me, I keep a large folio, and this one is my Van Gogh Royal Talons colors. Lots of the Rosemary and Company travel brushes that I also got from Art Toolkit. I like to keep my little water cup. I like it clicked one click, because I feel like it's more sturdy on my table than when it's like this. I feel like it's a little more wobbly. I got I got mine from Art Toolkit. They come and go for having them, so just know that. Also, my toolkit's been altered with this elastic. I have past videos. I'll try to link up some videos for you guys at the end of different things that I think you might be interested from here. other little items and stuff. Also, I'll just share with you real quick that it holds the Moleskine pocket size. So I could take that with me as well and keep everything in there. Right now, I haven't been using that new one of mine. Okay, so I have in here, the front pocket is for my phone. You can utilize it differently. I shared in the last video that I have in here the small Midori, the newer size, which is A7 and grid. Very cute. And a small passport, and that's in the pocket in the back. There's a small little thin pocket. It's perfect. And when you put those items in, they're not touching the top or anything like that. And it has my, my Winsor & Newton colors so that I don't purchase the same thing. I need to add my Daniel Smith, my Van Gogh, and a few others that I have a few of in here. So that just works out perfectly. So again, both of those notebooks, and let me show you. That notebook has plenty of space. It is not touching the top or anything. I can add in my art toolkit. Again, the water bottle, I like having the smaller one right up front there. You can see all of the nice space. I can throw my keys in here, my golf cart keys. There's plenty of room on the top. And I like having my little napkin with me. I mean, I could fold it all different ways. You could fold it to fit like in here on the side and just tuck that right in. But I liked how perfectly that extra space was right up here to put that. And you can see all of this in here. Did I say I also have a little pin and fountain pen? Possibly. So I like that it is not bulky, not protruding like I've overstuffed it. I could put another notebook in easily. Like say I wanted to put that Moleskine inside my thing. There's plenty of room for it. This is the perfect, so I don't have to take supplies out of my art toolkit that I like to keep automatically set up. This is called the pocket size one. It's larger than pocket size. They have two sizes, and I have like quite a few little videos on it and different setups that I have. I like carrying the different size watercolor books. I like a quick little notebook for sketching or writing things down. I've been keeping this with me always. Like if it's in my carry-all handbag for the day, if I'm bringing it with my art things, I just kind of want to put my little thoughts in there and fill that up. Okay, and so I shared before that I went back and I ordered another in this blue, and it comes in navy, a mustard color, I believe, a green, and then a coming soon color, which says light gray. And so BK has a video where they share like what they have and what fits in there. So I'll put that in the description. I'll also link the prior video for you guys that I did, showing it as my like little carry-all and keeping my passport TN in there and such. It's just so nice. It's not overpacked. It's super lightweight, the canvas is, and the size. It just, when you put it on next to you, it just sets so nicely. It has a very, very long strap if you want, or you can tighten it up to do a shoulder strap. I mentioned this in my last video. I don't know what it is about a shoulder strap that I just am very particular about. And this is so thin yet strong, yet not too wide, and super lightweight. And I say that because if you have any of the Pagan All shoulder bags, which I just love. They're so cute, the canvas bags. But the thick, wide, heavy leather, I don't know. For me, it just never sets right on me. And so, although I love the bags and I love all their products, and it's probably just a me thing, but I want to share that with you guys. If you have one of those, or you know, this shoulder strap just fits so perfectly on you, and it doesn't bother you. It just becomes one with you, I guess. I'm telling you, I'm always on the search for a perfect little size tote. I'm also going to do some comparison of sizes videos with the Delphonics zip pouch and the Superior Labor canvas pouch, so you can see those size differences. This one I am attaching some little special patches to, and another one I'm going to keep just as my summer everyday kind of carry-all bag, and this one will be for my art supplies. And then I did mention I ordered the smaller one. It appears to be more like this size. I'm not certain, so don't quote me on it. I didn't really go over the sizes super great, but I will have a comparison video of those two sizes for you guys as well. But I just really wanted to share this because I have so many little tote bags that I'm always trying to get, will this fit, will that fit? And I really like the most compact size possible, but yet fit the very most possible, if that makes sense. And I have the Delphonics tote bags, the small, medium, and large, and those are wonderful for like events and things like that. But this is something if I'm going to carry around with me, or when I go to my trips to New York. I love to go to Central Park. I love to journal and paint and art journal in Central Park. This is like the perfect bag that I feel like I can throw on and feel comfortable and don't feel like I have tons with me. And I don't always want a backpack that's filled and full. And I'm just, I know I'm saying a lot and repeating, but this bag is so nice and simplified, yet so functional. So I hope if you get one, you let me know. You let me know how it's working for you. You can get a bag with lots of little pockets and all that kind of stuff, and that is great. But sometimes when you're out and about, you don't want all those pockets. You don't want to worry about your phone taking off. You just kind of want to not feel like you have a ton that you're carrying on you also. At least that's how it is for me. I really love like our New York travels, and I get on the little bikes you can rent and ride all around, and I can just toss this in the little basket, and I don't have to worry so much about, being extra careful with it. And I mentioned in my prior video, I did get something on it at dinner time, but it came right out with a little shout. Plus I'll have patches, and it's going to be just so wonderful. There's the bottom. I love this little reinforcement on the bottom. It helps so that it doesn't just it doesn't sag, which is so good, because a lot of times little totes and canvas bags will have that sag feeling there where everything kind of falls into it, and this really helps to give it structure. So I am singing its praises. And again, you'll find other of this brand on other shops, but this is a little collabo that BK did with them for this particular sizing. So you'll find other sizes on the BK shop and other sizes in other online stores, but not this one. Only this size I have seen, because it shows it as a collab with Ateliers. So if you like the little bag, you enjoyed the video, give it a click, the video. Subscribe if you haven't. Thank you guys for subscribing and also asking me your questions, sharing your views of the videos with me, or things you would like to see. I really love and appreciate that so much. And stay tuned for some more ideas with this tote bag. And I think it's 2 days from now, depending when you see this. I'm posting these videos the week of May. Let's see, where's my date? The week of May. So the 19th, I posted the first video. So I'm posting them this week. So in a couple days, my order should come. So watch for the comparison video of all those other little goodies. And if there's something you want to see it compared with, let me know now so I can show that in my comparison video. I have lots of different planners and options that I'd be able to share and show, or other items. So thank you guys so much for joining me.